ASELSAN GÖKBERK mobile laser weapon system has demonstrated its effectiveness against first-person view (FPV) drones, a growing threat in modern warfare. Recent tests confirmed the system's ability to detect, autonomously track, and destroy FPV threats under various conditions. The GÖKBERK system showcased rapid response times and high-precision targeting, making it a key element in Turkey's National Air Defense Initiative, Steel Dome. As a near-field air defense weapon, it is designed to neutralize mini and micro UAVs, as well as improvised explosive devices (IEDs), using both hard-kill and soft-kill capabilities. ASELSAN, Turkey's leading defense company, continues to advance directed energy weapons, a critical technology in modern warfare. The GÖKBERK system integrates ASELSAN IHTAR platform with a high-powered laser on a 6x6 mobile deployment vehicle, enhancing its versatility and effectiveness. Developed in collaboration with key industry partners, including TÜBİTAK Bilgem, GÖKBERK core components are entirely domestically produced. This strengthens Turkey's defense industry by reducing reliance on foreign technology and increasing national security autonomy. The system employs an indigenous high-quality laser source for precise target destruction while incorporating an electronic jammer for non-destructive neutralization. Advanced electro-optical tracking and artificial intelligence-supported algorithms enable swift and accurate engagement of airborne threats. Designed for continuous operation, GÖKBERK features a cooling system that allows uninterrupted use, ensuring maximum impact with minimal energy consumption. Its cost-effective design offers a sustainable solution for defending critical infrastructure, including military bases, airports, power plants, and oil refineries.